Okay, guys, today is the 7th of June. There was an earthquake in Greece. The magnitude of the earthquake is 5.2. 5.2 is considered weak or average. It's not a big earthquake. So, Greece was hit today, the 7th of June, by an earthquake of magnitude 5.2. You can see the location of that earthquake there. It just happened, so we don't know whether we got any material damage or anybody injured or died. We don't know. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys. I dreamed that like a few days ago. I would say 1 week ago. Title is Earthquake Hit Greece. It has happened today, the 7th of June. I dreamed that on the 31st of May. So I get it wrong. I did not get the magnitude of the earthquake right. The one that has hit Greece today is 5.2. In my dream, I saw it 7.1. And in my dream, 27 people will die and injured. But so far, we don't know how many people has been injured or killed. But in any ways, 7 days ago, God already told me what is going to happen in Greece. Who knew that on this planet? Nobody. Okay, I knew it. There will be an earthquake in Greece, and I did not get the magnitude right. And also, we don't know how many people has died or injured. We will see. Thank you for watching. Again, this is just a simple example of how things work in my life. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.